All right, so back to AUD USD analysis. So yesterday, about 8:45, I think, something like that. I don't really know. Let me look at it right here. This was the time. This can do right here. Oh, that was about um, yeah, 12:45. Yeah, this candle here, this particular candle, about 12:45 uh, p.m. That was noon Brazilian time. I took this trade here, but before I took this trade, I was already on the trade for a sell, right? But I decided to take a buy position because based on what I can see on the chart, so I edged the market. Okay, first of all I saw that RSI were good right here. The RSI crossed each other right here. That was a signal for a buy, and the market has been buying for a very long time. You know, all the way it has been buying from here, bottom Bollinger Band right here, all the way to the upside. And once the market got, fell all the way from here after consolidating, it broke out of that little structure right there, all the way down. So I spotted that earlier, and also it consolidated here. So the market consolidated at this level. Okay, so once it started consolidating, I spotted it, and instantly I decided to wait. I did a countdown timing, and once this candle closed above this area, closing above this super trend indicator right here, I bought immediately from here. Meanwhile, I was already in a sell. I decided to take another position for a buy. So the market went up, did not go all the way up immediately, right? The market, I also have another indicator that was telling me to buy the market at the time, which was the Ikenachi color candle, as you guys can see here. So this is an Ikenachi color candle. So if I close that Ikenachi color candle right now, this is the color of the candle, the regular color of the candle, right? Which is bullish engulfing candle right here that gave a signal for a buy. But together with the Ikenachi color, I was getting extra confirmation for a buy. So I took the buy and the market went up. So the market, in my own humble opinion, came. I was expecting it to come towards this area. That was even before all of this move played out, right? So for example, we are not having all of this stuff. Okay, let me quickly run a replay in the chart so that you guys can see clearly what I was saying. So this was where we are, and I'm going to show it to you guys, right? So I'm going to show it to you guys in my Telegram uh, group where I shared the analysis with my friends right there. So this was what we have yesterday. So the market was going up. So all of this happened yesterday. So my intention was the market should come all the way right here. Okay, but the market did not, because talking about supply and demand, right? This was the supply area. So this was the breakout of the supply, the market breakout of that supply area. So this big candle. So if I am to draw my zone, like supply zone, I need to pick the high of this candle together with the low, which is very huge, right? But I didn't do that. Okay, I just know that for a fact the market is going to go all the way up, and already at this place, this is what I call the demand zone, which was rightly, occurred back in time right here, a breakout from that uh, consolidation, the market, a little structure right here, it break out and it bought to the upside, right? So it did the same thing here, and I came back towards that same zone, and now it broke out again, and I'm expecting it to come back to this level, right? And all this was yesterday. So what I did was put my position and just left the market. But what happened? The market, did this scenario. So I'm going to measure this candle, all right? So the market came in and test 50% of this candle right here. This candle, all right? This candle that did the breakout. As you can see, the market came here, all right, this level, and reversed back into this level. So it was a 50% retracement of this particular candle right here. And after, the market reversed back in to test this demand zone again, finally went all the way up. And I'm just going to play the replay. You guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. So before I actually took this trade, I made sure that I confirmed from my technical indicators that I can buy this market, all right, which I did right here. RSI gave me a signal. Ikenachi color gave me a signal. I got a buy signal from the super trend also. Ikenachi color candle is telling me a buy. It is an engulfing bullish candlestick pattern. Then I bought. Then what happened? Let's watch out for the replay and see how it plays out. So this was what happened. I left the trade and left the position, and this was what happened at the end of the day. So the market went up, moving sideways. Came another supply zone right here, broke out and came inside, even a little bit deeper, right? It came a little bit deeper and bounced all the way to the upside, as you guys can see, as it's happening right now, right here. So my projection is that this market is going to buy, all right, give me a profit, and after it's going to sell. And today is Friday. Right now, AUD/USD is really selling to the downside. So let's just watch as we look at how the market played out. So this is how the market came in right here, gave a pin back candle right here, bullish signal, and all the indicator, gave a signal for a buy. And the market still stays at middle Bollinger Zone area. So it came down to test that area, okay, went up, came down again, tested for the second time, and finally went all the way to the upside, like as I anticipated for the analysis earlier right here, that is going to come up right here, but it did not get there immediately, right? Okay, it waved all the way right down here and pushed finally to hit the profit target right here before it started going all the way to the downside. So talking about trading supply and demand zones, price action movement, this is what you need. Honestly, it's simple, it's easy for those that have been in the market for some time, but for a starter, for a beginner, man, you have a lot of work to do when it comes to this. And as you can see right now on the 15-minute chart, the market is still running. All right, guys, so before I round up this video, let me quickly show to you guys on my Telegram group right here. You guys can see this was the first time I did the analysis right here. All right, this was it. You can see 15-minute charts, AUD/USD. This was the sell I projected initially before the market started buying. Then I projected the buy also right here. This is the setup I said send to my friends in my group right here on Telegram. And when the market played out, it's still ongoing, right? But when the market gave us the profit for that buy, as you guys can see here, this is the setup finally when the market went up to hit profit target, and now it's on its way to the downside. So if you like this simple, easy analysis based on supply and demand, how to spot it, how to draw it, and how to trade it, please follow my channel on YouTube and be rest assured that you're going to get more of my content, and I'm going to be sharing to you how I am trading right here. And believe me, if you put together what I'm sharing, believe me, your trading style will completely change. It's a fact, and I can show to you every time, anytime I look at the market. All right, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate. Stay tuned to another time.